Richard Yap.
I'm Allen Dizon.
And sasagutin namin ang mga tanong nyo from Reddit.
Si Richard na lang. Total, magkasama na rin kami dito, di ba?
Marami. Hindi ako makapick ng isa, pero marami pa akong hindi kasi nakasama. And I'd like to work with all of them.
Itong Fatherland, it's very challenging sa akin dahil tatlo yung role ko. Meron akong multiple personality disorder. So, kailangan kong panindigan na isa lang siyang tao. So, naging farmer ako, tapos naging mauti ako, ISIS, tapos naging bakla ako dito sa Fatherland. So, yan.
Parati kasi kami love team eh. Pwede ba magkaaway kami dito? Pero baka ayaw ng mga fans.
How do you take care of yourself today?
Siguro yung stress-free, tapos I do IF, tapos diet. And siguro yung, I love nature eh. Madalas akong mag-camping, madalas akong mag-off-roading. Tapos healthy living, and dapat masaya sa buhay.
Healthy living. Richard,
I used to do a lot of gym, so to maintain my...
Do you go to the gym every day?
No, but I have a gym at home.
Oh.
Now it's more of treadmill and parang yoga, stretching, because it's more for both. Fatherland will be showing in all cinemas on April 19, so inimbitahan namin kami kayo na manood po ng Fatherland. Yes. Starring Allen Dizon.
Hindi ko paswal, ito yung anak ko dito sa Fatherland.
Powerhouse ka?
Sherry Picache.
Right.
Angel Aquino.
Angel Aquino.
Directed by Joel Lamangan under Benfia Production.
Doc RJ Searching.
Searching.
Si manatiling guwapo, manatiling mayaman.
Manatiling guwapo.
Maraming fans, maraming pera.
Pwede both.
Kaya kabahan ako kapag?
Kapag kaharap ko si Tito Boy.
Umiinit ang ulo ko kapag?
Kapag boboyo ka.
Lights on, lights off.
Lights off.
Happiness or chocolate?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
Anytime.
I am Richard Yap, and I am...
Love.
Indie, mainstream.
Indie.
Pelikula, teleserye.
Both?
Maraming awards, mataas na talent fee.
Maraming awards.
Under kay Mrs., under sa mga anak.
Under sa lahat.
Your dream award.
Can?
Wow. Pangarap mong maka-excel.
Super delivery.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights on.
Happiness or... Wow. Happiness or chocolate?
Of course, happiness.
Best time for happiness.
Anytime.
The biggest reward sa buhay mo. Ano ito?
Sa mga international awards.
Actually, I've done fast talk before, pero matagal na yun. Noong nasa kabilang station pa kami.
Yes, of course. Lagi akong na-excite pagdating sa fast talk. Siyempre, alam naman natin si Tito Boy kung paano siya tanong. Nakaka-excite mag-fast talk. Siyempre, alam naman natin mga tao. Laging inaabangan to eh.